Do you like playing board games with your family or friends?
Do you know how to talk about board games in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural conversation about playing board games.
You'll learn useful English expressions for choosing a game, explaining the rules, taking turns, and having fun.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
Today's lesson is about playing board games.
Let's practice English together.
Paul, do you want to play a board game?
Sure, that sounds fun.
Which game should we play?
How about this one?
That looks interesting.
Have you played it before?
No, I haven't.
That's okay. I'll explain the rules.
Great, let's play.
First, we put the board on the table.
Okay,
Then, each player chooses a piece.
I'll take the blue one.
I'll take the red one.
Who goes first?
Let's roll the dice.
I got a 6.
Wow, you can go first.
Great.
Roll the dice and move your piece.
Okay, I understand. It's my turn.
Go ahead.
I rolled a 4.
Move your piece 4 spaces.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now it's my turn.
Good luck.
Thanks. I rolled a 3.
That's a good roll.
Yes, I landed on a bonus space.
Lucky you.
Huh, this game is fun.
I agree.
You're getting close to the finish.
Really? I might win.
We'll see.
I need one more space.
Roll the dice.
I got a 1.
You win.
Yes, I won.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Let's play again.
Sure, maybe I'll win next time.
We'll see. Let's review some useful expressions from today's conversation.
Which game should we play?
Use this when you want to know who should play next.
It's my turn.
Use this when it is your time to play.
Roll the dice.
Use this when you want someone to throw the dice.
Good luck.
Use this to wish someone success.
I won.
Use this when you finish the game first. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for playing board games.
Practice these expressions out loud to improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Question of the day. What's your favorite board game?
Tell us your answer in the comments below.
Thank you for learning with Everyday English Learning. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.